The next-gen Tata Tiago. Dual-tone interior, dual smartphone deck but wireless charger, blind view monitor, kiway. Thek kum ki kaliram, hagador ko bajam, tak 6.5 lakh. Just wow.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
The all-new Banalari Nexa showroom is now open at Mauyongrim near ISBT. Explore premium Nexa cars, book your favorite, and take a test drive. Nexa. Create, inspire.
Menteri Rangba ke Jela Conrad ki sangma haka arphenreu terek unailar arjar phenreu ulaitu ba ulai Kren bad Menteri Rangba ke Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma ban weng ye ki jingge jongki pajba hadin bekilami ki jingya peni bor ha jorabat na ki jingja ki basosi ki balaja haka khatgandai terek unailar arjar phenreu haka por baka KSU kala pelong ya ka rali ra lamayong hanong ba Shillong. Habakren syakilat patai kubor. Conrad sangma ulaong badai lingba kanika jingye penbej bad Himanta. Baka sorkar kala pelong ya ka jingye Kren bad ka sorkar Assam. Bad ban khot ya Kren ru ya ki kenhun baper ban weng ya ki jingbam ya so thu jingmut bad hak ju ko poru ulaong. Ba ukmi linti baka syongsok syongsan kan sawan phai biang. Bad kinong jungo kai perthai kan sngan kalet kawan habaki wan syakanika jalla.
See, number one, obviously I have spoken to Honorable CM Assam, and that is why we have managed to bring the different stakeholders together and find an amicable way to move forward. Obviously, there is always strain and tension and a sense of anxiety which follows situations like these. It takes time to normalize, but I think we are on the right track. And at least normalcy in terms of movement has started, and we expect that the overall normalcy in terms of how things used to be before the incident happened should return very soon. And we also would like to urge the tourists and others to now be rest assured that there is no problem. They can come. There is ample steps have been taken, all stakeholders have been consulted, and we are taking every step to ensure that normalcy returns. So therefore, I expect that normalcy has returned, as I said, in terms of movement, but the actual normalcy in terms of the comfort, the overall movement in terms of tourists coming in, it may take a few days or maybe a week or so to come back, but I'm confident it will.
Kata bagi smart card senangnya sangka.
Jingshngaiñ ka taga MSIS. Mo.
Gak jingir apa saya lalu yang sorkar hantam ya ikut ya sutom.
Ini kena hafsa dari sama. Adhar MHIS kapi.
Untuk mulai karakter kata.
Jadi ni konpi hab ada medika hostel. Dah habis pi ka registration. Telah dampi dengan smart card. Dah sampai cok.
Oh dokter dan bayang.
Yang ni konpi habis operation ni yo.แต่ความความตัวปัญญาในพี่อยากไปสร้างตะกันหับไล่ operation นี้แต่ว่าพี่MHIS card พี่และนี่ก็ smart card แต่ก็ทำไปเอาเรื่องเลยพี่
Ri nak pagi mon le yo yo poisa sumar ni kon. Abenda ni ksir yo sumar. Kebelah si bona karo yela atau percangkafu ni ya.
Ini kan bukan dia smart card.
Kan teh. Kebelah si bon. Mo.